If you want to lose fat and build muscle, you need to have breakfasts that are not only delicious, but are built to get you leaner and stronger. I'm about to show you a stovetop, a no-bake, and a microwave recipe that you'll actually look forward to eating every single day. For the stovetop recipe, in a blender, add 2 eggs, a half cup of old-fashioned oats, a half cup of fat-free cottage cheese, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a fourth of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and some salt, and then blend it up until it looks like this. Preheat a pan to medium-low heat and coat with nonstick spray. Add your batter to make 4 mini pancakes. Flip once you see bubbles start to appear on the surface and the edges look set. Once they're golden brown on each side, serve immediately with some fat-free whipped cream, sugar-free maple syrup, and some blueberries. For the no-bake recipe, add a half cup of old-fashioned oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and then mix up all your dry ingredients. Then add a half cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt, a half cup of skim milk, some honey, and then mix it all together. Add some fruit to the top, give it one last stir, and seal it up and put it in the fridge overnight and enjoy in the morning. For the microwave recipe, add a half cup of Kodiak pancake mix, a half cup of skim milk, a fourth cup of liquid egg whites, a half cup of non-fat Greek yogurt, and stir it up until fully combined. Microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes, and then top it with some fat-free whipped cream, sugar-free maple syrup, and some blueberries. And if you want more recipes like this to get you in the best shape of your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you like this video, check out my video of where I make this high protein breakfast burrito perfect for weight loss.